Oh yeah.
Blog.
Blog?
Blog.
What are you doing here?
What am I doing here?
Yeah.
I love you.
Oh.
Blog. Oh.
Blog? You're scared. You scared my friend.
So, it's just what I like to do. Blog. Yo. Whoa. Blog.
Oh.
Blog. Oh. Oh. Whoa. It's time for the characters of the day. Whoa. On the toilet supplies. Can I open it?
Whoa.
First, yo, Ultimate Bungle by the Granny Park Bar. Now, can I open it?
Sure.
Oh, I'm gonna get the white of the scale. Blog! Did you know your attempt failed?
Whoa.
Blog, oh no! I've been waiting for this moment since episode 1. You don't care about my scale?
That's pretty scary for me.
It was?
Yeah.
Oh! Yeah! Blog! Blog! Cool, so what's your name? I wanna know. My name's Clam.
Whoa.
Time for the toilet supplies. Toilet supplies.
Hey.
Hey. Wait a second. Weren't your friends Midnight and Chocolate coming? Yo, what's Moonlight and Choco? Not in this episode, no, yo. No, not in this episode. Time for the toilet. Toilet supplies, Duplo. Do you want to open the toilet supplies?
Oh yeah.
Wait, it's you evil Duplo.
I turned nice like 4 months ago.
Oh.
You left on the old days.
Oh yeah.
too.
I forgot. Okay.
The rule of the toilet can't be opened until you hear flush. Oh.
Wow. Who's this?
I'm Peep.
Oh, yeah. I'm slime. Okay. That is all. I'm gonna be on my way. Come on, Marshmallow.
Yay!
Wow.
Slime. Wow, slime.
This is so cool. Like bouncing it. Ooh.
Slime's yucky.
Who's that? Don't you like scare people? Blog!
Boo! Woo! I love scaring people, but I hate it when people don't scare me.
Blog!
And when they try to overscale, it's just not really fair.
Yeah, I don't overscale.
You guys! Yeah. Look at that slime! I think we can play some pretty funny pranks on. Oh yes. On other people with the slime. Oh tastes like grime. Oh yeah. Stop eating the slime, that's yucky.
It's gross.
Okay, who wants to prank?
I'll prank. Ah!
I'm good at pranking. Well,
Pranking. This is what it really came to.
that's why slime exists. That gets used to prank people with. Ah! I don't think so.
Come on, let's go downtown.
Yeah.
I would like... hello. Hello. What would you like? So, this is the club top, right? I would like... a pizza. Oh, no.
Whoa! Would you like some slime with that? I know who we should prank next. Oh. Duplo! Duplo hates slime.
You guys, you ruined my day. Ow, my eye.
A double prank in one. Duplo's next. Duplo next. Duplo's next.
Duplo's next.
Duplo hates slime. Duplo hates grime.
Yay. So Duplo.
Yeah.
What's your least favorite thing?
Apples. They just don't taste so good.
What's your least favorite grimy thing?
Slime.
Cool. I've got a bunch right here. I thought you would like the slime.
I don't like slime.
Wait a second. Did I say least favorite? I meant most favorite.
Great one!
You knew it, slime. Okay, I think the pranking should come to an end.
Yeah, don't you think?
The pranking should continue. Okay, and
what is that? It must be slime. Perfect for pranking! Yeah. I know exactly who to
I hope no one uses the slime to prank anyone again. What should we do? Nothing very exciting. Let's do something super exciting. What's that smell? Why not? It smells like pancakes. Gooey! Someone is responsible for... I've been slimed. Slime crime. Oh no. We're out of time. Who could have done such a terrible thing? Probably that guy up there. It was that guy. Stop ruining our day with that slime. It's not fun. And it happened to me. Not surprising. Oh, yay! Gooey saving the day. Go, Gooey! Ah! My eye. Don't worry, this always happens. But when it happens, I get fixed. Yeah, Gooey. We did it. Good job, Gooey.
You guys think this is funny?
No.
Well,
It's great.
No, this is so embarrassing. Well, I'll get you next time. Oh.
Oh! Oh no, he'll be back. But when he's back, we'll be ready because we have Gooey.
Oh, what do you call it? Duplo? That's so slimy.
Duplo.
Huh?
Duplo. Duplo still got a little bit of evil in him. Well, now what? Ah!
Ooh!
Oh?
It's time for the end of the episode! Yay! See you guys all next time!